Before buying a golf simulator, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, KLAODOT Golf Net. First up is the KLAODOT Golf Net, priced at $59.99. What caught my attention here is that it's a bestseller with over 1,300 reviews. If you want to practice your swing, chipping, and driving effectively, this is worth a serious look. This 10x7 FT net comes with a central target and 4 pockets designed to improve your accuracy. The durable materials, including 600D Oxford cloth and a reinforced fiberglass structure, mean it can withstand high-speed impacts of up to 200 mph. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It allows you to train indoors or outdoors without worrying about damage or wear and tear. Over 1,000 people bought it in the past month, indicating it's a popular choice among golfers. Now, some users complained about the setup process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it becomes much easier, and it's definitely not a deal breaker if you're looking for a solid training net. This is perfect for you if you're looking to improve your golf game at home without breaking the bank. Skip this if you're specifically looking for a high-tech simulator experience, but for the price, it really delivers. Now, if the setup difficulty bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Zensoud's Golf Net. Next, we've got the Zensoud's Golf Net at $56.99, which also stands out as a bestseller with a 4.2-star rating from 601 reviews. If you're keen on honing your skills in multiple aspects of the game, this one deserves your attention. Similar to the KLAODOT, this 10x7 FT net features a central bulls and target pockets. It's made from upgraded materials like thickened nylon netting and a sturdy fiberglass frame, ensuring durability against those powerful hits. This improved design means you can practice swing, chipping, and driving effectively without worrying about the net tearing. With over 1,000 purchases last month, it's becoming a go-to for dedicated golfers. However, a few users mentioned that it doesn't hold up well in very windy conditions. But honestly, if you're using it in a sheltered area or indoors, it's not a deal breaker. Just keep that in mind if your practice area is exposed. This is perfect for you if you want a portable training option that you can set up in your backyard or garage. Skip it if you're mostly looking for something that can withstand extreme weather, but the value is definitely there. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for indoor practice. Product number 3, Raishu Golf Tees. Coming in at just $8.99, we have the Raishu Golf Tees, which are essential for anyone practicing at home. These tees boast a solid 4.5-star rating from 897 reviews, making them a great addition to your golf practice setup. What makes these tees stand out is their flexibility. You get 10 tall and 10 short tees, allowing you to adjust the height to suit your needs. This means you can practice with the right setup for your driver or iron shots. Plus, they're made of durable plastic, so they won't easily break while you're training. This adaptability is key for honing your skills in different scenarios, whether you're on the course or practicing in your backyard. Some people found the plastic material a bit less premium compared to wooden tees. But honestly, if you're just starting out or practicing indoors, they do the job well enough, and it's hard to argue with that price. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss, budget-friendly option to help you practice consistently. Skip this if you prefer the feel of wooden tees, but for practicality, they're hard to beat. Now, if you're looking for something that tracks your performance as you practice, the next product is a must-see. Product number 4, Rapsodo Mobile Launch Monitor. Next up is the Rapsodo Mobile Launch Monitor for $199.97. This device caught my eye because it's a pro-level monitor that fits right in your pocket. If you want to analyze your swings and improve your game, this is definitely worth checking out. This monitor gives you real-time data on ball speed, club speed, and launch angle, along with GPS satellite view for precise shot tracking. This means you can see exactly how far you're hitting each shot and adjust accordingly. With over 3,100 reviews and a solid 4.2-star rating, it's clear that many players trust this device for real improvements. Some users mentioned connectivity issues with their smartphones. But I'll be real with you, if you're willing to troubleshoot a bit, the insights you gain are invaluable for taking your game to the next level. This is perfect for you if you're serious about tracking your performance and making data-driven improvements. Skip it if you're just looking for basic practice without the tech, but the value for serious players is huge. Alright, that was a solid tech option. But what if you want a more immersive experience? The last product on our list is just that. Product number 5, PHIGOLF Home Golf Game Simulator. Finally, we have the PHIGOLF Home Golf Game Simulator at $296.10. What caught my attention here is its interactive nature, offering over 38,000 courses worldwide. If you're looking for an engaging way to practice and play, this simulator is definitely worth your time. The lightweight sensor connects to your clubs, making it easy to track your swings and improve your technique. Plus, the multiplayer feature lets you compete with friends, adding a fun social element. With over 2,300 reviews and a 4-star rating, it's gaining traction among golf enthusiasts. However, some users have found the learning curve a bit steep with setup. But honestly, once you get past that initial hurdle, the experience is rewarding and engaging for golfers of all levels. This is perfect for you if you want an interactive experience that combines practice and entertainment. Skip this if you're looking for something simple without the need for setup, but the fun factor is undeniable. So there you have it, a great mix of golf simulators and practice aids under $1,000, catering to different needs and preferences. In summary, we covered the KLAODOT and Zensoud's golf nets for budget-friendly practice, the Raishu tees for practical training, the Rapsodo monitor for serious analysis, and the PHIGOLF simulator for immersive play. Each brings something unique to the table, depending on what you're looking for. So pick the one that fits your style best and enjoy your game.